This is everybody Richmond. Today what we're doing is we are replacing the C-clip that is on the parking brake lever at the brake shoe. Now these C-clips are very common on a lot of brakes, drum brakes. So to install the C-clip, we just slide it on, take some pliers, and just pinch it together just like that. It's a very pliable metal clip. And to remove it, I like to take two screwdrivers, wedge them against one another, just like this, pry it till you open the clip, and now you can take the clip off and disassemble the lever. So that's all it takes to remove a C-clip from your parking brake lever.